Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Judy and
Jimmy.
So today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make
spicy mango salad.
Yeah, so let's
with eggs.
Go! Follow us. Say, let's go friends. No? So let's get started. We shredded all this. This is just one mango. And I'm just going to actually cut the vegetables with you. So here we have cilantro. So we're just going to mince this up. We're just going to mince it up very finely. And this is going to be mixed up with the yumminess. Okay, I think that should be good. So we're going to scoot that to the side. And then we're going to get our peppers. And we're going to also mince this as well. And you could add however much peppers y'all like, but 3 is good for us. Okay, we're gonna push this aside because we don't want to mix that with the cilantro just yet. And then we have our lime. Just gonna roll it up for more juice. And then we're just gonna cut it right in half. And then we're gonna use that later. And then we're gonna cut our cilantro. This is 1 medium cilantro, and here we have cilantro. Oh my god, shallot. Sorry guys. So we have our shallot that I cut in half, and we have our 1 garlic, and now we're gonna please scoot everything over, and then we're gonna bring our handy dandy smasher. So we're gonna add in our 1 garlic, our shallot. And then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we're just going to pound this all together. Pound, pound, pound. I just want to smash it till it gets to a certain texture. So that's good. That's a good texture. And this is going to be the easy and simple part. So now we're going to take our mango, our shredded mango. I'm going to put it all in here. We're going to get our 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Just drizzle that all around. Our 1 teaspoon of fermented fish. And all that. And then we're going to get our cilantro. We're going to put in our peppers. And then we're going to get our lime. We're going to squeeze this in. We're going to use our handy dandy tool. Now we're going to squeeze all that juice. Oh, I just squeezed myself. Whoopee. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's mix this all together first, and then we'll see how it tastes. And if we need to add in the other lime, we will. You might actually need to add more pepper, I think, honey. I don't think this is enough.
Yeah, we could add more.
Oh, and with this dish too, guys, you guys could boil up some eggs, and you could like soft boil them and then put it to the side, which you guys will see today. Well, yeah, today, later, whatever you want to say it. We're gonna put the eggs right on the side, and it goes really good with this dish. Okay, let me try it.
Good.
Yummy. You try it? How's that?
Ooh.
Is it good? More pepper?
It's sour.
So no more lime?
The mango is sour.
So there you guys have it. Spicy mango salad. And I'm actually going to add more peppers. So there you have it. Simple, easy, bomb. So let's have dinner. You guys are actually going to have dinner with us. Here we have our
mango salad, spicy mango salad with eggs.
eggs, yummy, alongside with our
Fried fish.
yeah, fried fish. I was losing my mind. Sorry guys, we were outside fixing our backyard and everything. We have our chicken soup. We have our yummy nam that we'll be doing a tutorial on that too, alongside with our lettuce and our pepper. Okay, let's dig in.
Lego.
Yeah. Come on, yum yum.
Let me just grab one fish for now.
You want fish too?
Ooh. Ooh.
You hear that crunch?
Crispity.
I'm not sure if he's gonna like this. No, you don't want it? Fishy. Sorry, we ate the fishy. Can you eat? Try? Yum yum.
Oh yes.
Yum yum.
Fish. Can you say fish?
Oh no, we forgot chopsticks. Ava, can you get chopsticks for us? Ava, what was that? Can you keep asking for lettuce?
1 second. There you go.
Okay, let's actually try the fish with the mango. Forgot. God.
Oh, I'm like drooling right now.
Try it, Kinsey. Yum yum. Going in. Oh, well, thank you.
First bite.
What else would this go good with besides fried fish? Take ah.
Ooh.
Wow, look, Daddy.
Wow.
Good boy. High five. Yeah, that's my boy. Love it. See, Kingsley, it's hard for him to eat because he's at that stage where he's like, he'll eat and then like some days like he won't eat, right?
Yep. That's why he's the king. He wants whatever he wants.
Let's try the eggs with it. This will go good with fried chicken ones too, right?
I never tried it.
We always eat this with fried fish, that's about it. But I'm pretty sure it'll go good with everything else. Sorry, that noise is Kingsley's toy.
Hey man, can you shut that off?
You should have Kingsley's toy. Look at that egg. Ooh. So good. How is it, Ava? Good? Go up or you want to go down? I guess he wants to go up.
Oh, that's good.
All that hard work today that we did in the yard, this is definitely needed.
Oh, I'm tired. Be right back.
Hey, getting a drink, honey?
Yep.
Yay. It has a good kick. It's like sour and spicy, but it's like perfect. Is that what I think it is?
Water.
Woo! My favorite drink.
Gotta have
Surge.
Oh yes.
Fried fish with the mango. So bomb. Can I get another lettuce?
$5.
$5? What? No free for me?
Nope.
Oh yeah?
You get free surge.
Oh yeah, I'll take that. Peppers.
Oh.
How was it, hun? Everything's good?
Yep. And in the spot.
I'm so scared. Eating fish sometimes, I'm so scared of the bones. Because when I was younger, I choked on a bone before.
It's so crispy you can eat it.
I'm scared, really? Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So what is this?
Well, next to the tail one.
He ate the bone, guys, because he said it's so crispy.
Watch me.
Lies. I'm not gonna lie, guys. When I was making the egg, you guys see how yolky it is? Like, it's like perfectly cooked. It took me 3 tries to get it right. So apparently, in order to get the eggs like this and nice and yolky, but not like fully yolky, you have to cook it for 6 minutes. If you guys are interested in knowing. Fun fact, I guess. It's so quiet, honey.
I'm enjoying this right now.
Ava's doing sign languages on the side. She's nervous to talk.
High five. Thank you.
I can't wait to make the tutorial for Nam. So this is bomb right now. It's in the spot along with the mango salad.
Hear me?
So good.
Okay, I'm full.
I am too. Woo.
It's about that nap time.
After cleaning. Ooh. Well, we hope that was easy for you guys to make. Per usual, we try to make all the dishes as easy as possible. So if you haven't subscribed yet,
Subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that
Notification bell.
ding. We just finished eating too, and we're so full. So
Time for my nap.
bye.